That's right. I hope you're ready for a stock market weekly update. But obviously, before we get started, I think this is important. Obviously, typically go in the news section, but President of the United States Donald Trump has uh, been tested positive now for COVID-19. So I just want to throw this out there, and mainly this is more of a call to the sick people I've seen that are wishing harm and death even on him. That I think if you please look down in your deep down in your wicked hearts, that maybe you see how awful you really are, and you should never be wishing anything ill will on anyone, regardless of how you feel about them. So, really, just overall, we hope the best. Obviously, this is the president of the United States. Not only is that, I mean, I don't care if it's someone I don't even know. I don't wish harm on them. So, um, I just wanted to throw that one out there. As people are just, it's been a crazy day. Just wish well. Always wish well on people. That's what you should do. It's for the best of, obviously, for the president's sake, the best for the country, and obviously just overall, just best for human nature in general. You gotta wish well on people, not ill. But as we start with this, we'll go into the portfolios. Then we'll get Robinhood M1. Look at the week ahead for me, and then see how the indices are doing. Then get into news. So, as far as the Robinhood portfolio, up 0.57 on the week. Nothing crazy. $115 up. All time up $5,913 or 40.36%. Nothing too crazy. This week has some decent dividends. I can't lie to you there. Obviously, DES, that dividend paid out, which is nice. I bought $50 worth of NRZ, as I mentioned last week, that I was probably going to do, and I went ahead and did it. Gilead Sciences paid $2.06 in dividend. Nothing crazy. Got reinvested for 0.033 shares. KBWD got reinvested. $2.99 dividend. Got reinvested for 0.22 shares. Garmin paid 61 cents, which got reinvested for 0.006 shares. SPHD got reinvested $1.42, got reinvested for 0.04 shares. Again, monthly dividend payers, baby, we love them. KBWY paid $2.86, which got reinvested for 0.16. That's what I'm saying. We love these dividends, baby, and they're monthly on these ETFs. But Coca-Cola also paid $2.99, which got raised for 0.06. Coca-Cola, nice little base on the portfolio. Nothing crazy. Would like to have more Coca-Cola, but we'll see how that goes. From the M1 Finance perspective, on the week up 3.09%, a little bit better there. Market gain of $400 is pretty darn nice. I can't lie to you. Very good week for this portfolio. All time brings us to 49.2 up. If you're looking at just the positions themselves, they're up 15.62 or $1,931. Pretty nice, can't lie to you. From a activity perspective, dividend wise, you see there's some quality ones. Gladstone paid $3.34, SPHD $1.77, Pepsi $1.96, Public Storage $1.30, Brookfield Renewable Energy Partners, Renewable Partners here. Obviously, foreign tax was paid 53 cents here, but $3.54 the overall dividend. And my normal morning buys was nothing crazy this week. All pretty well spread out. A little bit extra Iron Mountain this week, obviously, because I think that thing needs some. It's a little bit cheap right now. Smart portfolio wise, what's ahead in the week? Nothing crazy. Literally nothing crazy. Not at all. Literally nothing. You see this week's completely blank for next week, so nothing wild. The week after, nothing too wild, but then we get back into earnings, baby. The week of the 19th, we're ready. As far as the indices did, the Dow Jones up 1.87. Overall brings us year to date down 3%. Not too crazy. So the S&P 500 was up 1.5 on the week, and overall year-to-date up 3.64. The NASDAQ was up 1.48, year-to-date up 23.43. So My M1 Finance outperformed the indices, but my Robinhood underperformed all of them. So again, we even out to about equal. That's just how we do, baby. That's how we do. Still overall good year in the market. I can't lie to you. Obviously, with recent news, you never know. You never know what it looks like. Could get crazy in the coming weeks, coming days. Just into the news section, random poll here from Bank of America shows that Amazon is 60% of people are most likely to use Amazon as their first place to go when looking to buy something online. Amazon's first place. Walmart's down at 4%. Crazy low. Google 26, eBay 3, Target 1%. Crazy. For some reason, there's something in my throat. Okay, it's gonna sound weird when I say it's nutty. I have consumed peanuts prior to this, and I think that's the issue. I'm not gonna say anything weird, but that's all I'm gonna say. But Disney's laying off 28,000. Obviously, is less travel in parks is allowed for quite a while to be. We have probably the last straw in GM and Nikola. I really kind of hoped you were going to follow what I said and buy puts on Nikola. If you did when it was in the 70s, I bet you're very happy with your life right now. I'm still considering it at these levels while Nikola's still around the 23 range. I think this thing will fall down at the single digits once this GM deal falls through, because GM, I get it, you don't want to, from their perspective, they don't have that much to lose with Nikola because they're not putting that much into it. But again, their pride is really what they'd lose in this aspect. They could gain a lot, but I don't think they will. I think they're going to back out. You have the Fed. Bank buybacks are not allowed until the end of the year for sure. Through the end of the year, they will not be allowed to buy back stock. Banks will not. So keep that in mind. Obviously, not good for the financial sector to an extent because a lot of these are down quite a bit, and this is a decent time for buybacks. But again, dividends could be fine. Well, yeah, I'll take dividends. And we also have some dates in the new TikTok saga, obviously. November 12th deadline that would curb the usage of the app. So potentially by November 12th, that could be the complete end of TikTok in the U.S. Who knows what that looks like, if that'll be the case. But regardless, I'm going to go clear this nut out of my throat. Hope you enjoyed.